What if I told you that there's an AI tool that can create professional logos, stunning YouTube thumbnails, realistic image, editable vectors, graphics, and even complete social media designs, all from a simple text prompt? Sounds impossible? Well, today I'm testing Recraft AI to see if it really deserves the hype. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, we're going to test this Recraft AI, how this gonna help you creating some contents or design for your project, guys. So let's sign up first. So let's try to Recraft Studio. So let's sign in using any Gmail account you have, guys, and you can get free credits to do some works. Okay, so let's try to choose Google. You can either use Discord or with Apple, anything you want, guys. So let's try this Google, guys. So once you sign up, guys, you can do this. So what do you plan to use Recraft for? So personal work, school, others. Let's try to choose the work, guys, and let's continue. What kind of work do you do? So marketer, influencer, content creator. You can choose if you are a content creator, guys, but you can either choose entrepreneur, business owner, design, graphics artist, or other. So what do you plan to create with Recraft? You can create product visuals, vector art, concept art, icon set of icons, mock-ups, presentation, visual marketing, advertising assets, logo design, fashion merchandise design, and not sure what to try things, web visual or this other. So maybe the web visuals, guys, okay? Or maybe the presentation visuals. Okay, let's try to have this one and function marketing advertisement assets. So let's continue. How did you hear about us? Let's try YouTube and TikTok. Okay, so finish. You can choose a flexible plans here for creators and teams, but you can start for free, guys, to try out this AI. That's what we are doing right now. So let's try and get started here. What are you going to create today? You can create an apparel. Okay, so this is the apparel, guys. Example of the apparel that this AI can create, guys. They have packaging and products. Okay, so this is the sample of their products. And they have these devices. If you're selling device, guys, you can use this Recraft AI. Outdoors ads. This one, guys. Outdoor ads. And a lot more, no? So editing, templates, and product photoshoot, brand, word generator, creative snaps. This is a online Photoshop with AI in it, guys. Okay? So let's try to create by just using the prompt. By the way, if you want to create a video, you need to have to upgrade your plan, no? So generate videos from fronts or animate your image with King, Grok, Viosora, and other leading models. So that I can't do, but I can illustrate or photorealistic image, guys. So tight close up or freckle models, matte, terracotta background, sharp shadow, cutting across the face, directional studio, M beam. So right now we have a 60 credits for free, but anytime you can upgrade this and get more credits. So let's try to. So by the way, I'm using version 4.1, but you can choose Nano Banana, GPT Image 2 High, or the Craft version 4.1 Vector. So let's try this one, guys. There you have it, guys. So you can remove the background, increase image resolution. So let's try to remove the background. So image 2. Okay, remove the backgrounds. Let's see what this AI can do. So it's generating. So that's a 6 credits. We spent 6 credit by just prompting this image, guys. So generating. So now it has no background. So let's change the background, guys. Change the background color. Okay. Make a background to white. So that's another 5 credits. And when we change the color, guys, how many credits will be? Okay. So generating. So this is a Recraft 4.1. Wow, that's a good background, guys. Remove brown, increase image resolution, soften facial lightning. They also have this one. So let's try to generate again. Let's see. The requires image editing which the selected model Craft 4.1 doesn't support. Okay. So I need to use an external editing model. Would you like me to proceed to Nano Banana edit? So let's try yes. Okay. So let's see what we can get. So it's generating now. So let's wait, guys. So still have 48 credits left, but we already do 4 works. Wow. This is looking better, guys. From this into this, guys. Okay? You can turn into video, but you can do this if you upgrade your plans. Edit area, remix image, outpaint or crop, remove background, and upscale, guys. Okay? So I think that's all about this Recraft AI. If you want to learn more about this, comment down below and try to use the Recraft AI editing tool. So again, this is Crypto saying bye-bye.